it is my esteemed pleasure to introduce Mr. and Mrs. Donald Trump. It's the Donald! Oh, my God!
Hey, Donald.
Told me you were here. You look great.
Mwah. Thank you very much. Donald owns this restaurant.
Oh.
This is my friend Mike McNeil.
Hey, listen, are you bagging her?
Huh?
Are you?
No, we just met.
Well, call me, Liz.
Oh, sure. Thanks.
Okay, boys, it's time to get serious. So let me tell you that all the money that I win from you tonight is the first income I've gotten that's not been garnished by the Bank of Margot.
I hope you have a good lawyer.
Hey, Donald, listen, it's 50 cents to open. Okay, here's a news flash. You're rich, all right?
And I didn't get rich by throwing away quarters.
Look at this, right here on the street. It's Donald Trump.
What are you, morons?
Wade,
Trump?
I hear Kelson finally dumped you.
Not exactly, no. We just came to a mutual understanding that she couldn't bear me for another second.
Mike?
Sir?
Randall?
Donald.
Mr. Trump here wrote The Art of the Deal. Then he wrote a new bestseller, The Art of the Comeback.
2 books.
Wow.
Donald Trump, I'd like you to meet... Oh, what am I talking about? All you handsome zillionaires know each other.
Donald! Maxwell Sheffield, how do you do?
Cuddy is going to crash and burn and take his clients with him. Excuse me. Dalton, I'm here with Donald Trump. For God's sake, how long is it going to be?
I have checks sitting on 2 tables. Ah, Miss Ayers, how nice to see you. I have Mr. Cuddy's usual table.
Cuddy?
Sorry, Frank, but I'm gonna go crash and burn with Cuddy. Call me.
Hi, Dad, it's me. You're gonna be so proud of me. I'm gonna win this race.
Waldo, you're the best son money can buy.
Thanks, Dad. Excuse me, where's the lobby?
Down the hall and to the left.
Thanks.
Hey, look at this! Donald Trump! Donald Trump! Donald Trump taking down Vince McMahon! Oh, my God! The hostile takeover of Donald Trump on Vince McMahon has happened.
Remember the chair that must have belonged to a mighty bad barber. It was got straps for your arms. Mr. McMahon is saved. Oh, no. Oh, no!
Oh, my God!
Oh, my God! Hey, they're actually shaving! Mr. McMahon's head, look at that! I was a striking